Now I assume that you got some knowledge about PHP. Now the very next thing, you have to install PHP, and we are also going to use database, mysql relational database, but we are not going to install separately. You can do that, so but we are not going to do this. We are going to install only one software, and that will include all of them: PHP, mysql, and everything we need to we need for this app, for this tutorials. Okay, so we need this Xampp. You can find this software from Apache friends.org. This is the official site. You can search for Xampp, you will find it. Okay, you see Apache, MariaDB, PHP, Perl. You can also use mysql. Okay, so whichever operating system you are using, just click for that. I am using Linux, so Xampp for Linux. I just install it. I just downloaded it, so let's install it. Installing Xampp on Windows is very simple, but it is little difficult on Linux. I think you can successfully install Xampp on your Windows operating system. That is very simple. You just need to click next few times and keep everything default as well. Okay, here just open your terminal for on Linux and run the command ls la. You see we have Xampp. We need to make it executable. To make it executable, cas mod, we have to use this command 755. 7 mean giving permission to read, write and execute. 5 mean giving permission to read and write. Okay, 755, and name of the application, that is Xampp. Okay, okay, this would be ch mode, not sh mode. ls la. You see this is, we have the permission to execute it. Now just dot forward slash Xampp. Okay, for Windows user, once you have installed Xampp successfully, it asking for administration privileges. So just write sudo. If you are using Windows, you don't need to do all those. You just need to install straightforward. Once you install successfully, you will get a folder inside your C drive with name of Xampp. Okay, here it is installing. On Windows, you will get a folder inside C drive. The folder name is Xampp. Inside Xampp, you will have a folder of htdocs. You just need to find that folder and you can work there. Okay, I'll show you how we can work on htdocs folder. That is very simple. Just let me finish my installation. For Windows user, if you install it Xampp successfully, you just need to go to your start menu and search for Xampp, Xampp. You will find a option for Xampp control panel. Okay, if you search for Xampp, you will find that Xampp control panel. In case you can't find it, then you may have some problem with your installation. Uninstall it and install it properly once again. Once you find Xampp control panel, from there you can find a option for Apache and MySQL. Just run that too. That means start that too. Okay, once you install it successfully Xampp on your Linux, you see there is an option for launching Xampp. We can just click on finish and it will launch our Xampp web server. From here manage server, just click on this two Apache web server and mysql database. Just stop all and start all. You can see the same kind of servers in your Windows Xampp. You just need to start those mysql database and Apache web server, these two. Okay, so if you just close this application, just close it. Yes, I want to close it. How can I open it once again on Linux? There is a very simple command, cd opt lamp, and see all the files we have. We need to start this file. Okay, Control Shift C for copying anything from Linux terminal, and here. Okay, it's open successfully. For Windows user, the process is very simple. I already told you. We just need to go to start menu and search there. Okay, here once you have install it and start your Apache and mysql database, then you can visit localhost 80. Welcome to Xampp. You see it is running on localhost. It is the same. Okay, once again reload it. Now let's create our file. Go to the folder we have. You can find if you are using Windows, you can find this folder from your C drive, Xampp, and from Xampp you have to go to htdocs, but we are using Linux, so we need to go find opt folder from your root, and from opt you have lamp. Inside lamp you have htdocs folder. Before going to htdocs folder, for Linux user you need to run one more command. Actually you need to run one more command. This command should run from the directory of lamp, so just run the command chmod sudo ch. Actually let me show all the permission. htdocs, you see for htdocs the user is root and the group is root, but I want to take it in my own group. Okay, so ch own, this is the name of my user. You see, user of this Linux computer. Okay, Sion, and name of the folder htdocs. You need the permission of super user, administration privileges. Okay, now we can run the same command. Yes, it's working. Now the next command we need is chmod ZOA is equal read, write, and execute. I want to give the permission of everything to htdocs. Okay, now once again check it, ls la. You see this is the htdocs folder. This is now user of Sion, and it has all permission this folder has. Okay, so inside this htdocs let's create a folder with name of tutorials. Inside it we are going to create a HTML file. We are going to create a PHP file, index.php. Okay, let's open with any text editor. open with any text editor. For example, you can use something like Atom or Visual Studio Code. I am going to use both. You just need to install Atom or Visual Studio Code. You can install any one of them. Okay, the very simple HTML code I am going to use is this. Let me copy and paste it here as well, and let's add a tag of div. And let's write something, learning PHP, save it, and this file we made inside this tutorials folder, so we need to go to this tutorial folder at first. So from our browser, just write localhost / name of the folder you created. I created it tutorials and index.php. You see learning PHP and all the text before it. Okay, if you just don't give index.php, by default it will detect index.php, but any other file, then index.php will not detect as default. Okay, index.php is the default. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.